My name is Jason Moore and I'm the Senior Manager of Communications and Customer Service with the City of Windsor, and I'm happy to be here assisting Councillor Ed Sleeman and Heritage Planner Christina Tang in today's presentations. And today we're pleased to begin our presentations with a Heritage Designation plaque to the owners of the newly designated Niels C. Ortford House. Located at 766 Devonshire Road, the house was constructed in 1911, consisting of a 2.5-story brick and stucco residence with arts and crafts and Tudor Revival style elements, and has been kept in pristine condition through the good stewardship of current property owners Michael and Martha Robinson. The city is recognizing 1008 Lard Road, yes, right behind us here. The property owner Kyle McDonald of McDonald and Company and project team Archon Architects, Vertical Engineering, KTI Services, and D+MC made catalytic improvements on this commercial building on Lard Road.
When we originally looked at the building, I didn't see the vision. I didn't see it at all. And Pierre de Simone actually saw the vision on what it could be. Thanks everybody for the recognition. I can't talk any longer. We got a bunch more buildings we got to fix up. So.
Next up, the city recognizes 1785 Walker Road. The former Terran building is listed on the Windsor Municipal Heritage Register for its simple Art Deco streamlined architecture style. Previous ownership vacated the property and the building was at risk of being requested for demolition. The current owner, Scott Woodall from Lester Group, purchased the vacant industrial office building and found tenants Brave Control Solutions, which allowed for transformation of the property, including structural upgrades, roofing, brick pointing, and other interior-exterior renovations to the sum of over $2 million.
As a company, Brave has always retrofitted automated equipment and machinery, and so being able to be a part of the community, being able to take something that was slated to be demolished and put new life back into it. We're so proud of it. We bring people, we show it. It's an incredible build.
Our next award goes to 225 Giles Boulevard West, the William T. Westgate House. Kathleen Peaster is a longtime owner and steward of the heritage designated property at the southwest corner of Giles Boulevard West and Victoria Avenue, which features a distinctive red tile roof amongst other colonial revival features. The roof was in need of repair or risk of replacement, and with the challenge of materials and tradespeople, a less heritage conscientious owner would have changed the roof to another material.
We all have to realize Canada is a young country, and we're just starting on our path to collecting our history. And history is important for now and for our future generations.
Our next award recognizes the Hiram Walker Peche Island Bridge Project. The bridge was part of Hiram Walker's Bridge and Canal, constructed in circa 1892 to allow for transportation to Walker's summer residence on Peche Island. The bridge featured wing walls, corbels, brackets, and balustrades in classical style. Over the years, the reinforced concrete bridge deteriorated. In 2018, the city's own Parks Design and Development staff led a project through Landmark Engineers, who also took special consideration to the historical sensitivity of the structure.
And we were working in a very technically and logistically challenging environment, being on an island. It's not easy to mobilize equipment, materials, and personnel to the island. And without the team that we were working with, this would never have come off as well as it did.
Last but certainly not least, the city recognizes the recent McKenzie Hall masonry restoration project. Constructed in 1855, the former Essex County Courthouse is one of the city's most iconic heritage properties, and the city has committed to investing about $3 million over the next decade to conserve this landmark property. The extensive masonry restoration project is the first phase and the result of investigation, assessment, and designing of solutions to address wall mortar failure and water retention issues.
We were able to find out that actually the source of all the issues with the rot on the windows was Portland cement in 80s restoration of the building. They used the wrong type of mortar, and we were able to change the project from a window replacement project to a masonry restoration project. So hopefully we get many more decades of use out of the building